everyone, it's Mr. Buffy, and today we're gonna play Minecraft Skywars for the episode 2. Of course. So we're gonna play here right in the desert. So yeah, we're here in the desert. So 20 seconds. I'm gonna fix my things first before I'm gonna do it. So yeah, I'm gonna fix my CL, which is my Christian living, my mathematics book, and my science, because I'm recording in a day of exam. You know that, and I already studied. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it started. Don't worry, guys. So yeah, front snowballs. I had 6 of them. One of my favorite weapons, but I still got disappointed on fucking using it. So at least it's okay. Let's grab all the stuffs here so that no one will steal it. So yeah, let's equip all of them. Well, I still look like a redneck though. The heck, so let's check out if there's an HS. So yeah, there is. Yes, stone sword, finally, so good. I just need these cobblestones. Better again, grab some cobblestones. So yeah. Alright, so it's my turn to kick some of those rednecks up. Damn it, I missed. Damn it, what the fuck? Never mind, so yeah, let's stack up. Oh my god, I got stuck. Not that leech again. So let's grab every stuff's in here. So make sure that we get safe, because if we this stuff was already up there. What the fuck? No. Alright. Yeah, more blocks, cool. So yeah. We gotta do survival. So first we need to grab a crafting table. Second is to create a stick. Second is to create this. Oh my god, can we even mine that? I don't think we can. Let's try to kill those redneck. I think those ones doesn't update really much, because if they do, then I'm gonna die. And just, well, it was like, well guys, we're gonna die like that. So those, oh nice. What's up, rednecks? So yeah. Okay, quick, we gotta make that guy stack up there. Oh yeah. Quick. That guy's name is La. No! Fuck you! No! Jump! Suicide! No! But at least it was fun, so yeah. That's a sore loser. Stuff. I kept the leaper set, so let's get round 2. So yeah. Alright, so 30 seconds to go. I'm such a noob here. Like, here you gotta nod on them before, like, hot dog princess. What the heck? That's more adventure time. Finally, parkour. One of my fucking favorite things. Parkour, I don't even need them. You can just do it like jump, like epic things like that. Is there anyone joining here? Seems like there's in 5, 4, 3. We have a hacker. Congrats. And maybe it's you. So, oh yeah, axe, bros. We found axe. One of our destiny to survive, of course. Oh, he got killed by 4. It's because of the gravity of the earth, I guess. So, such a redneck. Still, I'm gonna make it sure that we're gonna do it. Yes! What? Did I just won? Maybe I did. Okay. Never mind. So, thanks for watching. If you do love this video, don't forget to drop a like. Please like and subscribe.